Hello students, welcome to the online science class. Today we are going to see the first chapter in physics, measurement. Before that, we will see what is physics. As you have learned already, physics is the branch of science that deals with measurement, motion, sound, light, electricity, etc. Can you remember now? Okay. Physics is also defined as the study of nature and natural phenomena. It means physics is the scientific study of what is happening around us. For example, your mom gets milk from the milkman daily. How much does she get? A cup of milk or two tumblers of milk? Then how will she ask? Yes, correct. 1 liter, half liter, etc. Physics is also based on experimental observations. Physics is considered as the base of all science subjects. There are many scientific theories. If they are confirmed through various experiments only, it is valid. So they use physical quantities to measure. Measurement is the base of all scientific studies and experiments. It plays a vital role in our daily life. What is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity using a standard quantity. Let me explain now. For example, take your science book and measure the length of the book using the ruler. First, we don't know the length of the book, so it is an unknown quantity. Let the length of the book be 25 centimeter. Now, we know it is 25 centimeter, so it is a known standard quantity. This process is called measurement. I'll repeat the definition of measurement. Measurement is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity using a standard quantity. Have you all got it? Again, from the same example, length is the unknown physical quantity, ruler is the instrument, 25 is the magnitude, that is value or standard known quantity, centimeter is the unit. So we need three things for a perfect measurement. They are an instrument, a standard quantity, and an unit. System of units. People in various parts of the world are using different systems of units for measurement. We have some common systems of units for length, mass, and time. FPS system is a British system of units. The full form of FPS is foot, pound, second. Foot for length, pound for mass, and second for time. Next, CGS and MKS are metric system of units. Metric is based on meter. They are measured in centimeter, meter, etc. So they are metric system of units. CGS, centimeter, gram and second. Centimeter for length, gram for mass and second for time. MKS, meter for length, kilogram for mass, and second for time. International System of Units. In earlier days, scientists performed their experiments and recorded their results in their own system. They couldn't recognize others' experimental results. In order to overcome the difficulties of using different systems of units, the scientists planned to form a uniform system for taking the measurements. That was called as International System of Units and is popularly known as SI System of Units. SI base units. The scientists chose 7 physical quantities as base quantities and defined a standard unit to measure the base quantities. They are known as base units or fundamental units. Now see the tabular column: quantity, unit, symbol, length, meter. The symbol of meter is small m. Mass, kilogram, kg. Time, second, small s. Temperature, Kelvin, capital K. Electric current, ampere, capital A. Amount of substance, mole, symbol is MOL. Luminous intensity, unit is candela, the symbol is CD. Here, amount of substance is a measure of the number of molecules present in a substance. Luminous intensity. Luminous means light. Intensity means brightness. Luminous intensity is the measure of the power of the emitted light. You have already studied about length, mass, and time in the lower classes. We will study about the other base quantities such as temperature, current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity in the next class. Shall we recall what we have learned today? What is measurement? System of units, SI units, base quantities and units. See you again in the next class. Thank you, students.